Okay, so hey guys, and welcome back. So basically, I bought a new computer, as you will see now. So basically, I'll just unbox it, and as well as I'm gonna say that I'm starting up YouTube again. This is what I've been waiting for a while. So here's the computer. I'll leave the specs in the description later. You can also see in here. So yeah, that's it. And as well as I bought this Logitech webcam. So if I will do face cams later in the future, and as well as I have the B85 gamer motherboard. You'll also see that in the description. It's already in the computer. As well as I bought the Kraken 7.1 Chroma headset, which I will unbox in a sec. As well as the new it's not new, but it's a Razer Black Widow Chroma keyboard. So I will also install Synapse and then, you know, make it all colorful and rainbow stuff. So yeah, I'll talk to you when I unbox it. Alright, so I'm finally done with the unboxing. You can see the Chroma headset here, Kraken 7.1, and then I have already downloaded Synapse and then changed it to these colors, and then also changed the color of my mouse. It's wireless, as you can see, but it needs charging and everything. So I just put it on here like that, and then it charges. And yeah, here's the computer. I have several. I don't really know what this is, but you can open them. I'm not gonna do it now, but you can. And then here's the fan. I can have it like how much I want to. So, but it makes a lot of noise, so I have it like this. And you also have several USB inputs. So I'm already using a lot of them. But so yeah, it's pretty useful, as well as the handle that you can lift it with. It's not that heavy actually, but yeah. And here's the computer. It's 1 millisecond, 144 hertz, and then it's 27 inches. So it's a pretty good computer. You can also move it around like this, and then you can also move it up and down. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. It's Philips, and yeah, I don't know if I already said, but I will leave the specs in the description. So yeah, you will be able to see it. Okay, so I don't have to say it all. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.